Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's start with the Bank Nifty analysis. Let's look at the weekly candle first because now we have a new data point now to look at. So I told you this red candle, the big one in the event week, that candle is useless to us because that candle is so big in like its size. So can you bet on it? Logically speaking, you cannot. Okay, so that like data is useless. So we move on to the next week. So last week's high and low, I'm drawing a line on it. Okay, now what do we see here? We see market going up above the last week's high. Now, by nature, okay, if you go above last week's high, by definition, it has to be bullish. Similarly, whenever you go below last week's low, it has to be bearish, okay? You have to look for bearish trades. So now what have we got, okay? We've gotten, like, of course, like 3 days more are left for this week to be closed. But as of now, what we are getting, we are trading above the last week's high. What does this tell me? It tells me कि मुझे अभी put sell करके like I have to make my money. This is the new data point which I wanted to share with you in the weekly time frame. Now let's look at the daily time frame. अभी ये मुझे दिख रहा है consolidation, right? Now we have given a close above the consolidation. Now what am I going to target? I'm going to target this last 2 days low. 49,700 put should go to zero for me. Okay, according to my analysis, this put should go to zero. Of course, like lot of events can also take place and some gap opening can also happen tomorrow. In which case the option seller is likely to lose a lot of money. But it's okay, like whatever we do, we have probability on our side, and that's how actually I've earned majority of our money which we made. So now what I'm expecting, see, like this candle has closed at 54.40. I'm expecting good quick up move on the upside. So 51,133, this all-time high, I'm expecting it to be challenged. Okay, but more importantly, इसके भी पहले मेरे को एक लेवल मिल जाएगा which is the big red candles high. Okay, so 5667 के ऊपर if the candle closes, this indication for me is again to play like aggressively bullish now, because this kind of volatility market will have closed above that. So I'm waiting one more day. Okay, already I have some bullish positions, but I'm like waiting one more day that if we get a closing above this red candles high, then it's time to again play aggressively bullish. Cool. So that was Bank Nifty weekly and daily chart. Now quickly let me take it in the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so market has given a breakout above this like rectangle and now it's going up. Okay, now we are seeing it has taken a pause exactly at this big red candles, this election day candles high. Okay, so what we need from the market tomorrow, we need the market either, first one is either I wanted to gap up itself. Okay, if it gaps up, then I'm going to wait for some time and then play a bullish, okay, for tomorrow. Second thing, what can happen, market can open flat. Flat is an indication of this zone. On the upside about 5610, and on the downside, you know, at least 5400 on the downside. So in this 200 point zone, if the market opens flat, okay, so now what is going to be the indication for me? I would ideally, you know what I would love? I would love this kind of a sideways move, okay, and then it's going to go up. If this breakout, I'll be interested in playing then. So this small consolidation breakout, I will be interested in playing tomorrow if the market opens flat. Next, if the market opens gap up, okay, so let's discuss two scenarios, either a normal gap up or either a big gap up. So if it opens a big gap up, okay, what may happen? It may come down, okay, and then it may again started upward journey. Something like this can take place, okay, tomorrow. If it gaps up a lot, realistic what may happen, because this is a bullish day, tomorrow we are likely to open gap up or flat, okay. So gap down probability is very slim. It's going to be really funny if it gaps down tomorrow anyway. Yeah, so the realistic scenario is like if the market opens gap up, I would like it to test this previous day's close, okay? And then I would like it to make a U and then go up. Okay, that's what I want. And that's what I'm expecting from tomorrow. If you get a decent size normal gap up. Cool, so that's Bank Nifty for us. Abhi Nifty dekhte hai, okay? So Nifty I'll cover in Hindi because Bank Nifty I covered in English. So Nifty weekly time frame पे हमने क्या बात की थी? हमने बात की थी कि ये जो election day का जो week है, that week is extremely important and उसके ऊपर we need a close. So last week we got that close and Bank Nifty was more bullish than Bank Nifty. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है, हमको निफ्टी में बुलिश ट्रेड के साथ ही जाना है हमको आगे. ओके, और अभी आप देख रहे हो बुलिश लोगों को ही फायदा हुआ है निफ्टी में. सो डेली चार्ट पे लेट्स सी क्या करने का है. सो दीज कैंडल्स व्हिच आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड ऑन द डेली चार्ट, ओके, जो सारे कैंडल्स है, दे आर नॉट कन्विंसिंग कैंडल्स फॉर मी. हमको क्या चाहिए अभी, बुलिश तो है ही, ऐसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ बेरिश हो गया है, बट वी नीड एज अ डिसेंट, ऐसा ये जो कैंडल है ना, ऐसी बड़ी कैंडल चाहिए हमको कोई इसमें. ठीक है, तो देन व्हाट विल हैपन, वी विल गेट न्यू डेटा टू बेट ऑन. So we can attack this low. We have this closing price, okay, which we can look at. The high of that candle becomes important for us. Okay, so this is very important. Abhi jaldi Nifty अगले 6-7 दिन में it has to give a good strong candle on the upside. Okay, that's what I'm anticipating. So according to the daily time frame, these are very small. There is nothing to infer, you know, from all of these candles. कुछ समझेगा नहीं ज्यादा क्योंकि कैंडल्स ही इतने छोटे हैं ना. So we need big candles to take a view on. तो 15 मिनट्स में लेट्स कम एंड लेट्स सी कि 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में क्या कर सकते हैं हम। सबसे पहले तो ये बहुत ऑब्वियस है, ये ट्रेंड लाइन, इसको देख रहा हूं मैं, तो लेट्स सी कितना टाइम है, 1 2 3 4 एंड वेन एवर इट कम्स फिफ्थ टाइम आ गए, ठीक है। तो फिफ्थ टाइम अ ट्रेंड लाइन बिंग टेस्टेड, आप एक हैमर लेके अगर एक वॉल पे मारोगे या किसी भी चीज पे मारोगे तो दैट दैट वॉल विल ब्रेक और वॉट एवर यूर हिटिंग इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक। ओके, सिमिलरली सेम दिस ट्रेंड लाइन इज बीइंग हिट अगेन एंड अगेन, फिर ये नीचे जाने का चांसेस काफी बढ़ जाता है। ओके, तो नीचे में हमको क्या करने का है, इसके नीचे तो वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले अग्रेसिवली बेरिश। ओके, एंड निफ्टी में कल क्या करेंगे हम, दिस जोन वील प्ले साइडवेज, टुडेज रेंज एंड कल का जो रेंज था, ये जोन में निफ्टी कुछ भी करे हमारे लिए नॉन डायरेक्शनल होगा, इसमें ज्यादा कुछ डायरेक्शन लेने वाली बात नहीं है। सो नीचे का अग्रेसिव तभी आएगा जब ये ट्रेंड लाइन टूटेगी, राइट। तो वो उसको टूटने दो, एक डेली कैंडल क्लोज आने दो बेरिश में। सो कल का अगर मूव लेट्स से बेरिश भी आता है सपोज निफ्टी में, सो लेट इट गो, ठीक है, उसके बाद का मूव विल कैप्चर। बट इफ द मार्केट इज बुलिश टुमारो देन वी आर गोइंग टू कैप्चर इट। क्यों? क्योंकि लाइक वी गॉट सम स्मॉल कंसोलिडेशन हियर। ओके, तो कंसोलिडेशन के ऊपर ब्रेकआउट पे वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रेड। इट्स एक्चुअली द ओनली लॉजिकल थिंग व्हिच यू कैन डू नाउ। ओके, सो मैंने निफ्टी कवर कर लिया, मैंने बैंक निफ्टी कवर कर लिया, एंड जस्ट एज वी डिस्कस्ड लाइक मार्केट हैज लाइक रिएक्टेड द वे वी एक्सपेक्टेड इट टू। ओके, टुडे जो स्पाइक मैंने एक्सपेक्ट की थी ना पर कॉल साइड पे, वो स्पाइक आई नहीं है अब तक, मतलब। तो आई एम लुकिंग वेटिंग टू सी कि ये मतलब कल भी कुछ नहीं होएगा या कल एक वायलेंट स्पाइक आ सकता है कॉल साइड में स्पेशली, ठीक है। तो लेट्स सी दैट टुमारो, and I think that was it for my video for this week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, and do comment and hit the like button for us, okay, if this videos help you, and do comment, okay, if our analysis is helping you make even a little money, so we would love to hear that. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.